We'll guide you through how to use Claude on YouTube effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open YouTube on your desktop browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. In the YouTube search bar, type Claude to find videos or channels related to Claude. Once you have the results, you can refine your search by using the filters option at the top. This allows you to sort by upload date, view count, or relevance, depending on what you're looking for. Next, if you want to subscribe to a channel about Claude, click on the channel name from the search results. This will take you to the channel's main page where you can see all their videos. Hit the subscribe button to keep updated on their latest content. If you're interested in specific videos, click on the video title to start watching. You can also use the like button to show your appreciation or save the video to a playlist for easy access later. For deeper engagement, check out the comments section below each video where you can ask questions or share your thoughts. If you want to be notified about new uploads from a channel, make sure to click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notifications. Finally, if you want to share a video about Claude with others, use the share button to send it via email or social media directly from YouTube. This ensures your friends can enjoy the content too. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.